Thank you for joining us today. I'm signing in as John Lewis, an employee working at Exterprise, and today I'll be walking you through how Exterprise's employees, like myself, can leverage the Employee Center within ServiceNow HR service delivery to optimize the HR interactions and improve our overall experience. Now, the Employee Center acts as a central hub for all HR related services, making it easy for employees to find and request services. I can quickly access information and perform tasks without waiting for HR's response, which then lead to a much greater efficiency and satisfaction. And by automating and simplifying HR processes, the Employee Center reduces manual errors and speeds up response time, which then benefit both employees and HR staff. Now, I'll go ahead and show you how easy it is to use this platform to handle various HR needs efficiently. I'm currently logged into the Employee Center portal, tailored specifically to meet the needs of Exterprise employees. From the Employee Center homepage, I can see various options, such as the Recommended For You section, which is a personalized section that highlights services, resources, and information based on my recent activities and interests, making it easier for me to find what I need quickly. Then here we have a popular topics section, which features frequently accessed topics such as pay and time, IT, technology service, human resources, and travel and location. We also have a quick link section where I can find shortcuts to essential tools and resources, such as our company, the organization chart, and any information on careers. Now, down here, in this video section, it can actually be used to host video tutorials and onboarding materials to help new employees get started quickly, or share important announcement or quarterly updates to keep employees informed about the company's direction, or even provide instructional videos on how to navigate HR services, such as requesting leave, accessing benefits, or using new tools. Now, suppose as an employee, I need to request a leave. To do so, I'll go ahead and click on Human Resources and navigate to Browse All. And I will then click on Request Leave of Absence. A simple form appears where I will enter details such as the first day of leave, estimated last day of leave, and my leave type. So once I've filled and the required information, I will then click on submit. So now let's go ahead and fill out this form. And let's just say my leave type will be a personal leave. Then I'll click on submit. After submitting, I then receive an instant confirmation. I can track the status of my leave request directly from the Employee Center. I can even see whether it's pending approval, approved, or if additional information is needed. Suppose I have a question about our company's tuition reimbursement policy. Instead of emailing HR, I can quickly search for it in the knowledge base from the Employee Center homepage. What I will do, I'll go ahead and enter policy in the search bar and I'll click on the magnifying glass. Then, as you can see, the search results display several articles related to my query. I'll then click on the most relevant one to read the details. Now, this self service approach saves me and the HR team a lot of time. Now, let's imagine a situation where I've noticed an issue with my recent paycheck. As an employee at Exterprise, I want to resolve this quickly. So I'll show you how I can easily open a request concerning my payroll using the Employee Center in ServiceNow HRSD. On the Employee Center homepage, to report my payroll issue, I'll go ahead and click on the Human Resources tab. Then I'll click on Pay and Time, which will lead me to payroll discrepancy depending on the setup. I'll then click on payroll discrepancy. As you can see, a form will appear where I can provide details about the issue. I will enter information such as the specification where in my pay stub I have a discrepancy, provide a description about the discrepancy, and even check the box to advise if the pay stub is attached by just checking next to the question, is the pay stub attached? And here, any supporting documents or screenshot that might help HR investigate the problem can be attached here. So once I've filled out all the necessary fields, I'll then click on submit. Now let's go ahead and fill out this form together. I'll state that I'm having an issue with my overtime hours. I'll then describe the discrepancy that I'm having, and I will then attach my pay stub. After attaching my pay stub, I'll then click on submit. As you can see, after submitting the request, I will then receive an instant confirmation that my issue has been logged, right? And what's really convenient is that I can now track the status of this request directly from the Employee Center, as you can see here. Now, imagine I'm in the process of relocating to a different office within the company. As we know, relocating can be a daunting task, but with the Employee Center, the process is much easier to manage. I'll start by navigating to Human Resources. I'll then click on Browse All, and I'll scroll down and select on the Employee Relocation Request form. And as you can see, there's a form that needs to be filled out for my relocation. The form is straightforward and includes the following fields, such as the date of move, which I can type the date I'm scheduled to move, ensuring it aligns with my department's relocation plan. Then my department name, which helps HR and facilities teams coordinate the move. I'll then select the office location I'll be transferring to. This will be the office located in San Francisco, California. I'll then enter my new home address right here, which for this information is crucial for updating my personal records and ensuring any relocation benefits are processed. And in the comments section, it will allow me to add any additional information or special requests, such as needing assistance with packing or specific concerns about the move. But for my case, I'll just put NA since I don't have any additional comments. And the form is intuitive, allowing me to save my progress. And if I wanted to return later if needed, I'll be able to do so by clicking Save as Draft. But in my case, I'll go ahead and submit. And as you can see, after filling out the form, I immediately receive confirmation that my form has been submitted. As you can see, I have a confirmation number. And again, I can track the status of my employee relocation request directly from the Employee Center. And I can even review all the information I've entered on the form by clicking on the additional details. Let's say that I wanted to check the status of all my requests. On the main Employee Center page, I can check the status of the request by navigating to My Active Items and then by clicking on Request. Here, I can see a list of all the open requests I logged in, and then I can click on the payroll issue to view the latest updates to see if there's any responses from the HR team and even to verify the current status. This transparency ensures I'm always informed about the progress. As my requests progress, I can check back at any time to see updates from the HR team. For example, I might see a note or I might see who my case is assigned to or that additional information has been added. And again, this transparency is great because it keeps me informed without needing to send follow up emails or make phone calls. Now, just know that the Employee Center within ServiceNow HRSD can significantly enhance the employee experience by providing easy access to HR services, enabling self service options, and ensuring transparency and efficiency. As John, an employee at Exterprise, I find this platform incredibly user friendly and efficient, making my interactions with HR seamless and hassle free. Now, thank you for your time, and I hope this demonstration has given you a clear understanding of the benefits of implementing ServiceNow HRSD at your organization. I hope to see you soon.